So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI system that qualifies leads, analyzes deals, and follows up with sellers all on autopilot. I'm Ansh Kumar, and I help real estate investors, wholesalers, and flippers close more deals using AI. In fact, investors like Shawn and Alexander use this exact system to close 2 extra deals without lifting a finger. With that being said, let me show you the exact system that you can build for yourself to get to 6 figures. Let's get to it. So the first element of the system you can build is lead scoring. So you can use AI to automatically score those leads based on motivation, urgency, and distress signals. Again, no more wasting time calling every lead. And so how you would build this lead scoring system is use a custom GPT script or Zapier plus OpenAI to tag leads based on keywords that the lead is using, right? Describing the situation like urgent, inherited, vacant, right? And one of the biggest things that I wanted to show y'all is, if I come right here, when you're building your custom GPT, the most important element is this right here, the knowledge update files. So let's say you would when you're putting in your GPT input, right? When you're putting your query, pretty much the answer you get back is according to A, your instructions, but B, the knowledge. So in the knowledge base, you would look for these certain words, right? Again, in most AI systems, the most important thing is the knowledge base. You can just have anyone can have a knowledge, and anybody can have an AI system, but the most important element is the knowledge. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. So optional, you can integrate that with tools like our REI Sift, Airtable, or custom Notion database. So again, the value here, right, it helps to qualify leads and not waste time with tire kickers. Again, tire kickers are people who come here. They're leads that come in, but they're not as motivated to come here and actually want to continue to close a deal, right? They're just wasting your time. So lead scoring can help you not waste your time. So, okay, so the second system, right? Part of the system you can install is a voice agent. Now that let's say you have quality leads, we can use the AI voice agent to automatically call them. This replaces your virtual assistant or cold calls. So how would you go about building this? So you can use tools like 11 Labs, Vappy, or Tulio plus GPT to create the voice agent. So you can go into Vappy and pretty much prompt it like, this is what I want. This is what I want you to do. When somebody called, let's say you have a form on your website, for instance, and you have someone's coming in to search for your business. They fill out that form, and immediately the voice agent will call them and like, is this so and so? Is this your name? Is this your email? Whatever. And again, scripted to ask property details, timeline, condition, motivation. So in the prompt, you would say, ask for these things, right? And obviously that call would be logged. So once you have the voice agent set up, what you would do is you would set up a Go High Level automation, right? Go High Level is a SaaS platform that helps you set up various things, funnels, automations. And what you can do is create an automation and connect your voice agent. So what you can have is your landing page, right? And then once the person fills out the landing page, from there, the voice agent is triggered using the automation, and then it'll call the person who fills out that form. And you can integrate answers into your CRM, because Go High Level, one of its main use cases is for CRM. So not only you set up the automation, is also the CRM is right there. And the value is scales outreach, gets key info fast, again, speed to lead, right? It helps you greatly increase your chances of converting that lead into a customer. And that's the value of a voice agent. So the next thing is a deal analyzer. Let me move my camera so y'all can see the images. So once we have key details, the AI uses GPT plus Zillow API to estimate the ARV and suggest the maximum allowable offer. This protects the investors from making bad deals, right? And also, I didn't add this, but it also helps. So not only do you get a good deal, but it also makes sure that your leads also get a good deal, right? So you both have a win-win situation. So how you would build this? So you would use GPT to calculate the MOA using the 70% rule. 70%. So what that would do is the ARV multiplied by 0.7 minus repairs. So you would pull the ARV via Zillow API or scrape using a data tool. You would connect Zillow and API through make.com or N8N to ChatGPT. And what make.com and N8N are, they're pretty much automation systems that help you create various systems, and you can pretty much connect any tool, any platform, most websites, Google Sheets, various social media platforms. Obviously, you can also connect ChatGPT. And the value, it speeds up pumping and offer making, so you can have your offer ready in seconds, so you have clarity on what to do. The next thing is nurture systems. So cold or unresponsive leads aren't ignored. They go into a follow-up sequence that sends SMS, email, and voicemail drops automatically. So how would you go about building this? You would set up nurture flows and tools like Go High Level, Instantly, or Smart Lead. Use ChatGPT to write the scripts and then trigger based on timelines. So for instance, you would trigger right after 3 days, once that lead comes in and they're unresponsive, this message will go out. After day 7, this message will go out. You can also, in Go High Level, you can set up SMS messages, you can set up voicemails, and through Instantly, you can set up automated email messages. And so the value here, it warms cold leads, saves deals over time. If somebody comes in and they're not as responsive, you can slowly warm up that lead. And then the fifth one is the CRM Pipeline Dashboard. So all this lead activity, voice agent calls, offer insights, follow-ups, feeds into one simple CRM dashboard, so you never miss a beat. So how would you go about building this? You would use Airtable, Notion, High Level, or your CRM of choice. You can select either. You can choose any CRM. Auto update deal stages based on agent outputs and response tracking. And a bonus, visualize pipeline health and top leads. So again, the value here, it shows everything that's going on, so you can see everything in one centralized place. So again, if there's a problem, there's something going on, you can see it. You can see the numbers. So again, thanks for watching. Right now, obviously, I built the system fully, like I mentioned in the intro, for various investors, and I've helped them close 2 to 3 extra deals per month. So if you want this system installed in your business, AI agents, voice bots, deal analysis, CRM, all done for you. I'll walk through the whole thing step by step in a separate video. You'll see exactly what's inside the Dealflow OS system and how it works and how it's helped various investors like Shawn and Alexander close 2 to 3 extra deals per month. With that being said, have a good day.